So as we just saw, the definition of an enzyme is a protein that acts as a catalyst that speeds up chemical reactions. And these enzymes do not get consumed during that reaction. So to give you an example of an enzymatic reaction, we're going to consider hydrogen peroxide being broken down into water and oxygen gas. Now the enzyme that speeds up this chemical reaction is known as Catalase. And most enzymes end with ASE. Now catalase is found in lots of vegetables. And to demonstrate that to you, I have here some hydrogen peroxide, and I'm going to add a piece of carrot. And when I do that, when the carrot hits the hydrogen peroxide, we're going to generate oxygen, and you're going to see that oxygen in the form of bubbles. So in it goes, and if you can look, you can see that there are bubbles that are starting to form, hence I'm generating oxygen. So here's a picture of my enzyme. Now in order for an enzyme to function properly, it needs to have the correct shape for a particular substrate. So this is going to be my substrate. In this example here, my enzyme is going to be catalase, and my substrate is going to be hydrogen peroxide. And when the enzyme and substrate have the correct shape, the reaction can proceed. It's almost as if you think of a lock and a key. A particular key can only fit a particular lock in order to open the door. A particular enzyme needs to have a particular shape in order for it to fit the substrate for the reaction to occur. Have a second carrot, and this is carrot that I have cooked. And when I drop the cooked carrot into the hydrogen peroxide, nothing happens. Well, why is that? Well, when I cooked the carrot, I've changed the shape of the enzyme. So now imagine my enzyme has a shape that looks like this. Here's my enzyme. And now here comes my substrate. And you'll notice this time that the substrate doesn't fit the enzyme. And because they don't fit together anymore, you're not going to have a reaction. So again, here's my catalase. Here's my substrate of hydrogen peroxide. It doesn't fit, therefore the reaction doesn't work. And what allows, or what happens to cause this enzyme to change shape, that change can occur due to changes in either temperature and or pH. So because I cooked my carrot, I've changed the temperature of the carrot, which contains the catalase. Therefore, the enzyme no longer has the correct shape, such that the substrate doesn't fit and the reaction doesn't occur.